Students, today we are going to discuss about De Morgan theorems. There are two types of De Morgan theorems. Number one is AB whole bar becomes A bar plus B bar, and second one is A plus B whole bar is equals to A bar into B bar. These two are De Morgan theorems. You observe here. Number one is AB whole bar is equals to A bar plus B bar. And second one is A plus B whole bar is equals to A bar into B bar. So these are two De Morgan theorems. We will discuss how they are useful in solving complicated circuits, simplifying complicated circuits. You observe this. What is the first theorem says? You observe how they will be symbolically represented. See, this is a NAND gate, AND gate. This is AND gate. So this is these are AB inputs. You will get output as A into B, and it is followed by NOT gate. So this is AB whole bar. So this is if you take this as only one, this is a NAND gate. AB bar is a NAND gate. Now here we are inverting the inputs. We are giving input to the NOT gate, so you will get A bar. And similarly, you are giving input to NOT gate, you are getting V bar. They are given inputs to the OR gate, so you are getting A bar plus B bar. So the symbolical representation can be written as Boolean expression as AB whole bar is equals to A bar plus B bar. A bar plus B bar. So you observe here, AB whole bar means NAND gate, and A bar and B bar are the inputs of the OR gate. So A bar B bar means negatives. So NAND to negative OR gate. This is the first De Morgan theorem. And second De Morgan theorem means this is A plus B whole bar means NOR gate. NOR gate to this is A bar and B bar are the inputs of the AND gate. So this is a negative AND gate. So we can we can we can define De Morgan theorems as NAND to negative OR gate. This is first one, and second one is NOR to negative AND gate. You have to remember symbolically. It is very easy. AB whole bar becomes, if there is multiplication, this becomes as addition, A bar plus B bar. And second one, if you have A plus B whole bar, addition over inversion, then it will become as multiplication, A bar into B bar. Now we will observe how we can simplify the circuits, complicated circuits. Observe here. Here is one circuit. Symbolically, it is what is this? You observe A is input to the. This is a NOR gate. This is a NOR gate. Here, this is a NAND gate. So BCs are inputs. So you will get BC bar and A. So what is the finally you will get? If it is OR gate, it becomes A plus BC whole bar. This is NOR gate, so you will get another bar. So A plus BC bar whole bar is this circuit. Now we will simplify. What is the way to simplify? You have to break the longest uppermost bar first. You have to remember. That is the easy way to simplify them. So you observe here what it becomes A plus BC bar whole bar. Two terms are with addition, whole inversion. So what it becomes, you take two terms as A plus A and BC bar. So breaking longest bar you will get A bar, BC bar, whole bar. But it is addition, it becomes as multiplication. Now you you apply identity here. A bar whole bar becomes A to BC whole bar. Then what it becomes? A bar into BC. So this what we will observe, this A plus BC bar whole bar becomes as A bar BC. This is simply AND gate. How, what are the inputs? A bar is one input and B and C. Three input AND gate. Three input AND gate. See, symbolically we are writing this. To get A bar we are giving using one NOT gate and BCs are inputs. So we'll get this is AND gate. So A bar BC. You have to remember like this. But sometimes you will do mistakes. Don't do such mistakes. Don't break more than one bar in a single step. You observe here. What is the wrong way? We will follow if we have no clear cut idea. See, A plus BC bar whole bar. If you breaking long bar between A and B, breaking both bars between B and C. At a time you are doing this operation, then what will you get? A bar, B bar whole bar. Plus here you are using plus between A plus BC bar. B bar. Then what happens? A bar, B bar, whole bar. And you are applying the same to C bar, whole bar. What is you are getting wrong? A bar, B plus C. This is the incorrect answer. So don't break more than one bar in a single step. You have to remember it is a very important point to remember. It is a most important cause and also. So you have to break the uppermost longest bar first, then use theorems properly. Now you observe, you can do the same problem using distributive laws, associative law, such that things. See, A plus BC bar whole bar. We are doing in another way. First, we are breaking the shortest bar, multiplication bar. Then what you will get? Multiplication becomes addition. So A plus B bars plus C bar. A plus B bar plus C bar. Now we are using the associative property. Then it becomes A plus B bar plus C bar. Now we are breaking long bar in two places where first and second terms and between second and third terms. Then what will become? See, observe here. It becomes A bar, B bar, whole bar, and C bar, whole bar. So applying identity A bar, whole bar, that is equals to A, you will get A bar BC. So what we are doing? First we are breaking shortest bar and using the associative property. Then we are breaking the longest bar. Then we are breaking the longest bar. This is the way we are doing. This also gives a right answer. Now you see, in another problem is there. AB plus CD whole bar is there. Breaking bar in middle because it is addition, it becomes multiplication. So AB whole bar, CD whole bar. Now breaking both bars in middle. Now you are breaking these two. This is one term. AB bar means A bar plus B bar. CD whole bar means C plus D whole bar. So this in this way you have to do. And another mistake how you can do if you do this in this way, this is a mistake. Breaking bar in middle, then what it comes AB bar into CD bar. Now this is a right step, but using breaking both bars in middle, then what happens? A bar plus B bar C bar plus D bar. This is a wrong step. So you remember the correct steps how to follow. That is a very easy way. Now another we are going to discuss another important complicated problem. You observe. This is the circuit given. You observe here how many gates are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gates are there. You recall them. What is the this gate? This is a NOR gate. This is a AND gate. This is a NOT gate. This is a NAND gate. This is a NOR gate. Now in person you have to write now. For this, what are the given? This is AND gate, so you will get BC from this. This is A plus BC up to this. You have a small circle, so this is NOR gate. That becomes A plus BC bar. Now, for this, you observe here, this gives AB bar. This gives AB bar up to this AB bar. Why this is a AND gate? Here we have circle. This becomes AB bar whole bar. So what is your final step? A plus BC bar A plus BC bar plus AB bar, AB bar whole bar, AB bar whole bar. Because this is how NOR gate. So you observe here. Up to this, what you got? Up to this, once again, I am repeating. Up to this is A plus BC. So here you have some small circle, means NOR gate. You have to invert it. A plus BC bar. In second one, what you have? A this up to this AB bar, and this is a NAND gate, so it becomes AB bar whole bar. Now up to this you have to add OR gate. You have small circle here, so you have to put a whole bar. So what is your output? A plus BC bar plus AB bar whole bar whole bar. So now you can simplify this using the De Morgan theorem. See, observe this. We have longest bar here. So we have two terms here. This is one term. Up to this is one term. This is second term. So applying here addition, so we will get a multiplication. A plus BC bar whole bar. A plus BC bar whole bar. This is AB bar whole bar whole bar. So applying A bar whole bar is equals to A. This is this identity. Now what will you get? This becomes A plus BC. Here you have two bars upon AB bar, so you will get AB bar. Now you have to apply the distributive property. Distributive property, so you have to multiply with these two terms. A into B bar plus BC into AB bar. Now you have to remember what is the identities are there. A into A becomes A. A into A becomes A. You can remember like this. Only two inputs are there. If 0 into 0 is equals to 0, that is A. If 1 into 1 also becomes 1. So A into A is equals to A. So A into A becomes A. So this is AB bar. Here observe here. Here B into B bar is there. B into B bar. B into B bar this becomes 0. B into B bar. So what is the identity? A into A bar becomes 0. You can check it. If you take 1, its bar is 0. 1 into 0, 0. If you take A is equals to 0, 0 into 1, 0 bar means 1. 0 into 1, 0, 0. So what are the important identities you have to remember? A into A bar becomes 0. A bar whole bar becomes A, and A into A becomes A. Now A plus 0 becomes A. So this AB bar plus 0 becomes AB bar. The equivalent gate circuit can be written as, so you want to invert B, so are we using NOT gate, A and inputs, and this is multiplication, so you have to use the AND gate. So Q is equals to AB bar. See, observe this. What is this complicated equation? A plus BC bar plus AB bar whole bar, that is simply become as AB bar. So you can understand how De Morgan theorems are useful. So students, we prepare very well. Remember two De Morgan theorems very importantly. What are they? A plus AB whole bar becomes A bar plus B bar. Second one is A plus B whole bar becomes A bar into B bar. These are very, very important. In addition to this, you have to remember these identities. A bar whole bar becomes A, and here we have used. See, A bar whole bar becomes A into A becomes A into A bar becomes 0, and A plus 0 becomes A. So these are very important and useful to IIT JEE. So prepare well, students. I think this video is helpful to you. Thank you.